Hi there guys, welcome to the channel. So today we're going to be making something different. So there are mornings when I wake up, I don't feel like eating heavy, I just want to eat fruit. And this particular day my junior brother wanted to do it for me, and so I told him to do it while I was taking a video. So first thing is, we got some ripe pears, some celery, onion, tomatoes, and you can add anything you want to add. So the first thing he did was he sliced the pear into bits like butter pear, the real butter pear. Next thing, he peeled his carrots, and this was just him slicing it in a bowl to give some fuel to make it really small. Then my kids were around, they were like, mommy, I want to try, I want to see what uncle is doing. So that's why you keep seeing their shadows around. So next thing is, he took some tomatoes, he had to slice off the black spots. He now sliced it into the bowl. Guys, when I used to be young, if they had told me that I was going to be eating tomato, I would never have accepted, because I used to hate it. But tomato is very nice, and I'm really trying to make my kids to start eating it because it's very healthy. It has a lot of iron supplement, so you want to make sure you start eating if you haven't been eating it. Next thing, he was going to go in now with some onion. Like guys, right now onion is so expensive in the market. I just envy back the days when onion was quite very cheap. When you go to the market, you are going to get it. Guys, excuse the hand, like my kids, they won't just let me do this video in peace. So this was him slicing the onion really small, because some of them don't even like onion. Like, I was mostly doing this dish for myself. Then by the side you have some onion, and the celery was still there. So he was just trying to like separate the onion, because you can't eat it when it is in big lumps. So he had to divide them into smaller bits, just so it can be more easier to eat. Then next thing that he did was, he now took the celery, he washed it, and he sliced. I'm so sorry I didn't take a video of this. I didn't even realize I wasn't taking a video. Next thing, he put some oil in a pan, add some vinegar into it, then added some sugar. Now let me confess, the quantity of this sugar is so too much. So before I realized he was putting sugar inside, he had already added that quantity, and there was nothing I could do about it. So when you want to eat this kind of vegetable, I advise you always try to reduce the quantity of sugar you take in, just so you can be able to, like, give the benefit of eating the vegetables and the fruits. So now we had to like blend it up with a little bit of salt, and after doing it, this was him just stirring the pot to show that our pot was ready. And just look at that plate of fruits, so sumptuous. In it you have tomatoes, onion, celery, pear, some vinegar in oil, and that was it. Like, it tasted so good. Like, I ate it and I almost bit my tongue. And this was just him trying to clear up the space, right? So after cleaning up, you need to make sure you clear up the space. And my daughter was just like, I want to eat the carrot, I want to eat the carrot. Guys, when I took this food, my kids didn't want me to eat. Like, we were literally fighting at the background. And so what I did was, I paired this up with some bread, and it was so sumptuous, and that was how I enjoy it. So this is just how you can make a basic fruit salad in case you don't want to eat anything heavy in the morning. I hope you love this video and it can be able to help you. So make sure, if you haven't subscribed, go on ahead and subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, don't forget to drop your comments down. I'm going to see you in the next video. Thank you so much, and bye.